My name is Harika. I came from Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh to Chennai Fertility Center and Research Institute for Andrology and Embryology training program. Here I learned about embryology training. In andrology, I came to learn semen analysis, IUI process, morphology, and staining techniques, and cryopreservation of the semen processes. And coming to embryology part, I learned about oocyte screening and denudation processes and later sperm immobilization and sperm aspiration and ICSI procedures under the supervision of Krishna Vigneshan sir, who teach me very patiently, and I am very thankful to him for teaching me all the embryology and andrology procedures. I am very super confident that I can do these procedures all very well. I'm thankful to Thomas sir who introduced the program and the facilities that is given here in Chennai Fertility Center. Thank you so much, sir.